Good afternoon, I'm Pais, very at Pais. Today, we're gonna eat ramen and curries.
What's that?
It's ramen. To cook it, to eat.
Can I have some pepino?
Yeah. Let's get into this one. Ramen.
Vlog.
I'm going to eat this.
Ya, alam mo yun na ang tingking?
Ako ni Kaon sa Ching-Ching. Kaya, nag-vlog ko yan. Nag-mukbang.
Next month ko.
Sarap. Let's get some of the water to eat. Let's eat some ramen to cook it first. And then, it's the soup of Korea with tatay ho.
Ina? Successful. Successful, no? Very good, tatay. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. May mga bagay talaga na imposibleng magawa.
Mahilig siya ang tiplon.
Oo. Ano siya ka na, antiplon ka na.
So dapat butangan na yung tiplon ta atong first
This was amazing.
yang kuan.
Diyan.
Atong sa main ba doon.
Okay naman to. Good, tapod kayo. Butangan ni magtiplon. Kana gyud iya ang ano.
This still
Kana yung kuan nito.
It's not halang.
Sunod na lang na iyo.
Okay na, done na. Kalang na dong eh.
It's not halang.
It's not halang?
It's lovely, yummy.
Nangita sa rice.
Tama na na. Uy!
Okay na, Ching. Mag-clip na ta, Ching.
Garden na na. Ay, hindi na. Lakaw. Bili na ko tayo.
Lahat ako, kaya mag ko. Okay na, Ching. I will get the tapon.
No, please, Tay. I'm going to eat it first.
Mag-go namin ni nanay, oh. Babay na.
Later for a while, after we cut that, they will never come.
Good night, Ching.
Bye!